Hi everyone, welcome to Fox Focus. It's time for Case or No Case. My name is Melanie Ricks. I'm here with Jeff Pittman, attorney at PKSD Law Firm. Hey Jeff, how are you?
I'm great, Melanie. How are you?
I'm doing well.
I got a tough scenario for you.
Okay.
So summertime, you've got your bike, so you decide it's time to break the Harley out and you are going to start riding. So you dust it off, you get it shined up, and you're going to go get some lunch. And so you're driving down the road and there turns out to be a Mexican place that you love that's in a strip mall. Okay. So you pull into that parking lot from the street, and right at that entrance or exit of the parking lot, there's a pothole, a big pothole, one by one. Okay. You hit that pothole and it causes you to fall off your bike and you end up breaking your wrist as a result of that. Case or no case against the owner of that strip mall for your injuries?
I would say there's a case.
I would say there's probably a case. So potholes happen in Wisconsin, especially after winter. The owner has a duty to maintain that property to make sure to keep it safe. So especially if it's an entrance, people are going to know about it and probably have complained about it. So in that scenario, I would say there is a case.
Well, that's really good to know. And if you're wondering whether or not you have a case, just dial the threes. That's 333-3333 for the PKSD guarantee.